We've been a customer with Sternfenster for 13 years, and we fit approximately between 15 and 20 frames per week.
Sternfenster are a family-run business like ourselves. Nothing is too much trouble, and they're just great to deal with. The customer service team are really friendly, always helpful, nothing's too much trouble. If something does go wrong, then it's just literally an email or a phone call. They're always there to answer the phone or reply to emails really quickly, and they'll do the best to help us if we need something urgently or there's a problem. They sort it out very quickly. We'd 100% recommend Sternfenster. They're the best in the country. We've been with them 13 years. We've never looked anywhere else for another supplier. I constantly get daily emails, many emails from companies selling bifold doors, windows, come on board with us, 5-day turnaround, low prices, but I just literally delete them. I wouldn't go anywhere else. We'd like to wish Mike and all his team at Sternfenster a very happy 50th anniversary.
And particularly all the guys in the factory and the transport that work tirelessly to get us our windows.
And doors.
And doors.
Well done, guys.
Well done.